Are you missing out on the repost feature of Instagram? I know I was. I just discovered this week that I can use it on my desktop, which of course I wasn't been able to log in for 2 years, but Meta finally sent me the code. So there's 2 tips for you today, is don't give up if you don't get a code from Meta, and 2, you can always try desktop when things don't work on the mobile app. I do have an Android, so that could be part of the reason. I did clear the cache and have the most updated Instagram app. So desktop work though, and it's wonderful because you can attach notes to them as well. I made a video from my blog post with a new tool called Flex Clip that I'm going to share for you here, so you can see exactly how it works and learn all about the Instagram repost feature.
When you tap Repost on Instagram, you may be confused about what the feature actually does. This confusion often intensifies when desktop and mobile interfaces differ. Understanding the Instagram repost feature is straightforward once you know its purpose. This tool can save you considerable time if you post frequently, enabling you to share relevant content and maintain an active profile without having to create every piece from scratch. The official Instagram repost feature allows direct sharing of public reels and feed posts, creating a linked version that automatically credits the original creator. Reposting streamlines content sharing, helping you maintain an active presence by sharing valuable niche content without originating every post. By sharing content that aligns with your values or niche, you build audience trust and curate your profile as a reliable information source. Treat reposts as personalized recommendations, especially with added notes for context, which adds value and encourages follower interaction. I discovered the repost feature accidentally on Instagram's desktop version. I had been looking for it on mobile for over a year, suspecting it was unavailable due to my Android device or a glitch. It took me 2 years to gain access to my Meta code for desktop login. The Instagram repost feature allows seamless sharing of public reels and feed posts. When you choose to repost, you can optionally add a note for context. Instagram then shares this material, clearly linked to your account without duplicating the original. This process ensures you are resharing, not copying or claiming content as your own. Your followers will see the shared content in their feeds, and it may appear in a specific section on your profile. When you repost content, the original creator retains full ownership. Their username and all metadata remain intact, much like a recommendation. This functionality is beneficial for sharing helpful videos, tips, or updates without needing screenshots or downloads, respecting the original creator's work. A repost can appear in your audience's main feed, and Instagram may organize your shared activity into a separate tab on your profile. This dedicated repost tab serves as a curated trail of recommendations for creators and a way for casual users to track shared items. The repost feature is an efficient way to stay active, especially on days when creating new content is challenging. It allows you to reach a wider audience without the pressure of original content creation. Meta has indicated that reposts can be recommended to friends and followers, increasing visibility beyond a profile tab. A good repost reflects your values and interests, showcasing what you deem important for your audience. Sharing useful public content within your niche makes your account feel more curated and positions it as a reliable source of information. Reposts should feel like genuine recommendations, building trust with your followers by filtering valuable content from others. Bloggers and small businesses can use reposts to fill gaps between original posts, maintain visibility, and highlight industry tips or partner content. Because reposts can be recommended to new audiences, they keep your feed active and provide engaging content while you develop new original pieces. The official repost tool has limitations. It's only for public accounts and public feed posts and reels. Private content cannot be shared. When you repost, the original poster receives full credit via a direct link. Reposting is a built-in share with attribution, not a new post. The mismatch between desktop and mobile repost functionality stems from Instagram's evolving interface. The official repost flow is primarily designed for the mobile app experience. While desktop sharing can feel simple, the built-in repost button, note option, and profile repost tab are more closely tied to the mobile device. Several limits might surprise users. Not all accounts have the feature yet, only public content qualifies, placement may change with app updates, and you can delete a repost at any time by tapping the three-dot menu. To use reposts effectively, view them as valuable signals, not filler. Pick reposts that align with your niche and your followers' interests. If your account focuses on blogging, share a post with a writing tip. If it's about local business, share a reel with a customer service idea. Relevance is key for audience engagement. If Instagram allows adding a note, use it to personalize the share. Explain why you shared it or highlight a key point. This extra context makes the repost feel like part of your account and helps your audience know what to focus on, making the share more useful. No, the official Instagram repost feature is restricted to public posts and reels only. This ensures private content remains protected. No, a repost is a linked share that maintains the original creator's metadata and username. It serves as a recommendation, not a duplicate upload. Availability varies due to staggered rollouts, app updates, or device-specific interfaces. Ensure your Instagram app is updated and the post is eligible for reposting. Yes, you can delete a repost at any time by tapping the three-dot menu on the shared item and selecting delete. When you repost on Instagram, you share public content through the platform's system, not as a new post. Reposts may appear in feeds and a dedicated reposts tab, with the original creator always credited. This feature saves time, maintains visibility, and supports other accounts without obscuring original authorship. The varying interface between desktop and mobile might cause initial confusion. However, the core idea is simple: repost when the content fits your audience and offers value. Always prioritize providing value for your followers with every share.
I hope you enjoyed the video and found how to use the repost feature and what it can do for your Instagram account. Thanks, and please subscribe to my channel here on YouTube for more tips and tricks on social media, blogging, and SEO.